Welcome to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast and fun video, I'm going to show you how to make a super delicious vanilla ice cream only using 3 ingredients. For our recipe today, we're going to need 2 cups of whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is equal to 300 milliliters or 10 ounces. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. Into a large bowl, I'll get my whipping cream. And this is 2 cups. That is equal to 500 milliliters. Okay, that's good. And then we'll add in our pure vanilla extract. Just get that mixed in. Whoa, look at that. That smells amazing. And then all of our sweetened condensed milk. This is going to thicken all of this up. So just get all of that in there. So that's it for the actual ingredients. Now I'm just going to get my hand mixer and I'm just going to start whipping this up. And I can feel that it's nice and thick because of that sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to increase my mixer now. And I want to start whipping all of this together. So that's about 2 minutes of whipping, and now you can see how nice this is. You can see it's very, very thick. It won't get much thicker than that, and that right there is perfect. So now we're going to get that into our little container. I've got myself a little loaf pan here. You can use any type of container that you like. And I'm just going to get this right in here. You don't want to take too much time. Just get it right in. Oh, I wish you could be here in the kitchen with me. This smells amazing. When you're cleaning out your bowl, you do want to use a spatula. Just make sure that you get all of that goodness out of your bowl and into your little container. That looks good. And then I'm just going to get all of this. I just want to make it a little bit even. That looks good. And that's perfect. And then I just want to get a little bit of plastic wrap. I just get that in there. We want to make sure that this is nice and fresh. Don't want too much air getting onto it. Just like that. Now I'm going to pop this into my freezer for a good 6 hours. So here we are again. This is about 8 hours later. And if I push down, you can see that this is very, very solid. I'm just going to remove the plastic. Remove that right off of there. I'll grab a little ice cream scoop and I just want to get in there. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Just get that right in there. Let me zoom in for another scoop. Now that I've zoomed in, hopefully you can see this a lot better. I'll just get in here. Can you see how nice this ice cream is? Oh, really, really nice. I'll just get this out. Look at that. Let's just go in for a little taste test. Look at that. Wow, that is really, really good. You would never know that this was not done in an actual ice cream machine. I've got to go in for a little bit more here. Very, very smooth. That vanilla, amazing. That is super, super yummy, and you saw how easy it was to make. I hope you try it out at home. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. That is super yummy. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch
Or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.